Hi, I'm Danik.
And I'm Aaron.
And today we'd like to unbox the LG UltraGear gaming monitor. So let's get started. So the nice thing about this is no tools required. So we'll start with the stand first. So the bottom of the base is secured to the stand with a single thumb screw on the bottom. After securing that, the stand itself will clip in to the back of the monitor. So now we've unboxed LG's UltraGear gaming monitor. For performance features, we've got AMD FreeSync, 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond motion blur reduction, and dynamic action sync.
As for the aesthetic features, we have a virtually borderless design, an ambient backlight, gaming customization and presets, black stabilization, and a crosshair function which improves player aiming.
For more information, visit
connection.com/LG.